Okay, do you like the weather today? You don't like the weather? Well, how's the weather? Is it rainy, sunny? How's the weather?
Is
Rainy? Sunny? Oh, cloudy. Yes, how's the weather? It's
cloudy.
cloudy. Okay, you don't like cloudy?
Yes.
Oh, why?
Sunny.
I don't like sunny because it's so hot. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, look at this. Which place of the house is this? Is this a kitchen?
Is a living room.
Living room. Can you tell me what can you see in the living room? Go.
I see chair, door, window, lamp, TV, toy, table, and baby.
Alright, so now listen to the question. Where is this table?
The table.
The table is?
The table is next to
No, in front.
in front of
The
the
sofa. Okay, where is the chair?
The chair is in front
Oh.
of the door.
Where is the window?
The window is behind
Mhm.
between the lamp and the picture.
Where is the baby?
The baby is on the bed and in front of the TV.
How many trucks do you see?
I see two trucks.
Where are they? Where are the two trucks?
Two trucks is
Are?
on
Two trucks are?
on
Where? Look at the
next
trucks.
to the TV and on
Mhm. Do you think the trucks are between the table and
TV.
TV? Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next part. We have bigger picture here, Tom, and you have to choose these pictures and put on the picture. Can you get one, please? What is it? Open. What is it? Great.
Yes.
Put on the chair. Put on the chair next. What is it?
Glasses.
Put under the baby. Under the baby. Under the baby. Yes, good job. Next. Faster. What is it? Eraser.
Eraser.
Put the eraser on the table. Okay. So here on the table. Next.
Elephant.
Elephant. Put the elephant above the window. Last one. What is that? Radio.
Radio.
What is it?
Is a radio.
It's a radio. Put the radio between the baby and the chair. Between the baby and the chair. Uh-oh. Between the baby and the chair. Yes. Okay, now say it. Where is the elephant?
Elephant is above a window.
Above the
window. The eraser is on the table.
grapes are.
The grapes on the table. The radio is behind between the baby and the chair.
Glasses are.
Glasses are under the baby.
Very good, Tom. You did well. That's the end of our speaking test. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Tom. See you again.